Virginia, if there's anything I can do, anything at all, just tell me. You know, dear, this is happening to all of us, to the whole community. It's so unfortunate that Billy has to bear the whole brunt of it.
Well, you know, the whole thing has been so public. Poor kid has to watch this mess being played out in front of everyone. I mean, that's what did it. The pressure caused this drinking.
Yes, well, it's clear the good Reverend has something to hide, Otherwise, I mean, why doesn't he just stand up and deny that he's homosexual?
Maybe he's not hiding something so much as he's trying to protect his right to keep private things private. Well, everyone has something in their lives that they don't wish to air publicly, don't they?
Well, I have nothing to hide. No, that's a smoke screen they throw up so they can continue with their deviant lifestyle and get away with it.
This all started because of something someone thought they saw. Billy has said it's not true. Why doesn't anyone believe him? Why don't you believe him?
We saw it with our own eyes.
Are you so sure of what we saw? Or maybe we read something more into it that was perhaps an innocent gesture. Look, a month ago, the congregation at St. James had nothing but the highest praise for Reverend Carpenter. Now it seems he's not fit to minister. And nothing's been proven. And even if he is a homosexual, that doesn't necessarily mean he's done anything to Billy. I am tired of all this talk, condemning people about speculation.
What the hell has gotten into you?
I'm not sure. Excuse me, please.
I guess the golden boy of the swim team got in a little over his head.
Yeah, I guess so. Was he helped or was he pushed?
It's so important to choose one's friends carefully.
How would you know that, Marty? Seeing as you're so hard up for friends, your idea of a good time is picking up some 17-year-old kid, taking him out and getting him hammered, which is against the law in case you've forgotten. You remember the law? The one you broke again?
You gonna send me to the big house?
You know, do you hold yourself accountable for anything? You want to live your life on the edge. That's fine. That does not give you the right to bring everything and everyone down with you. I felt bad for the burden you carried. Your family situation, your lupus. I did. I thought a little understanding, a little compassion.
But now you've changed your mind,
Now
right?
I see that you are so angry, so bitter, so injured inside you that you are actually capable of evil.
Oh, wait, let's not get carried away. Whatever happened to hate the sin, love the sinner?
You're right. It's my failing. But I can't do it. Can't do it this time, not when I see you sailing around here without any remorse. A kid with a tube down his throat struggling for his life. I just can't.
Fine, I'm remorseful.
No, you are not. You are not remorseful. Now you cut it out because I know what you're doing. And you stop it. You stop it. Marty, I'm sorry for you. What's happening inside your soul right now is evil.
What about your remorse? Taking a person's deepest feelings and rejecting them, humiliating them. You did this, Reverend. I'm what you made me.
That's who you turn to when you're in trouble? Marty's Saybook? Come on, Billy, what happened to your real friends like us?
Uncle, I know what you're trying to say. It just seemed easier to hang out with somebody I didn't necessarily like is all. I mean, I don't care what Marty thinks of me, and it made it simpler in a weird way.
Well, we don't put any pressure on you, do we?
No, I put the pressure on. You know, guys, this thing isn't gonna go away. I mean, this whole town's going crazy. Everybody's accusing Andrew of being gay. They want him to resign his position at the church. They want him to get rid of the community center. And you know, it's all because of me.
Billy, is Andrew gay?
Is Andrew gay? Come on, Alana.
I just was asking. I'm sorry.
Why doesn't Reverend Carpenter just tell everybody the truth? Everybody will just shut up. Come on, he has nothing to hide.
That's because I just told you he's straight. Joey, don't you see, if I would have told you he was gay, you would have said, oh, like you understood why he can't speak out.
That's not what I said.
Yes, it is, Joey. In so many words it is. Don't you see, if he comes forward and tells everyone that he's not gay, the whole town's gonna say, whew, we've got nothing to worry about. And then the very next time this town thinks there's someone gay, they're all gonna go back into the same routine.
I don't think that's true.
Yes, it is. You're not thinking hard enough. If anybody and everybody gets to ask me if I'm gay or not, and I don't answer, that automatically means I'm gay. So what happens to me if that makes a difference in whether I get the job or keep the friends or make the team? And you guys know that it does matter to an awful lot of people. Not having to answer that question is the only protection I've got.
And that's why he can't answer.
I got it.
And that's why I can't pressure him to change his mind and go ahead and tell the people, you know.
So, well, then we gotta back him up, right?
Yeah.
And how are we gonna do it?
Well, you know, I've been thinking. A petition.
Okay, what kind of petition?
Well, you know, so many people are only hearing who's against Andrew. Maybe it's about time we come forward and show him how many people are for him.
Okay. All right, now, what are we gonna say in it?
First off, the right to privacy, especially with people in leadership.
Definitely.
And we have to make sure they all